Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. All the videos of GK Today are absolutely free and available on GK Today's YouTube channel. And if you are looking for interactive quizzes in text and also their solutions, please download GK Today's Academy Android app. We have several free and paid courses in that app. Now this particular series is of 60 videos and in each video we are going to discuss select 15 questions and we shall also do 500 test questions after end of this series. Now let's start with the questions on Indian polity. So the first question is, which committee recommended the establishment of the scheme democratic decentralization? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. So the Balwant Rai Mehta Committee that submitted its report in November 1957. The committee recommended the establishment of the scheme of democratic decentralization, which later came to be known as Panchayati Raj. Now the next question is, which committee recommended the establishment of a three-tier Panchayati Raj system? So you have the following options and again the correct answer is option B, that is Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. So the Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, which was established in the year 1957 by the Government of India to recommend for the establishment of a three-tier Panchayati Raj system at the local level in India. Now the next question is, which of the following are the three tiers of Panchayati Raj recommended by the Balwant Rai Mehta Committee? Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti, Zilla Parishad, Nagar Panchayat. So you have to select the correct options from the codes given below. Now the correct answer is option A, that is only 1, 2 and 3. So the Balwant Rai Mehta Committee recommended for the establishment of a three-tier Panchayati Raj systems, Gram Panchayat at the village level, Panchayat Samiti at the block level and Zilla Parishad at the district level. Now the next question is, which of the following was the first state to establish Panchayati Raj system? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is Rajasthan. So Rajasthan was the first state in India to establish Panchayati Raj and the scheme was inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India on October 2nd, 1959 in the Nagaur district of Rajasthan. Now the next question is, who was the chairman of the Committee on Rationalization of Panchayati Statistics? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is V.R. Rao. So the Committee on Rationalization of Panchayat Statistics was constituted by the Government of India under the chairmanship of V.R. Rao in 1960. The committee has recommended for rationalization of Panchayat statistics. Now the next question is, in which year a study team on Panchayati Raj and finances under K. Santhanam was constituted? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is in the year 1963. So a study on Panchayati Raj finances was constituted by the Government of India in the year 1962 and it was constituted under the chairmanship of K. Santhanam. Now the next question is, Janta government appointed which committee on Panchayati Raj institutions? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is Ashok Mehta Committee. So the Janta government in the year 1977 appointed a committee on Panchayati Raj institutions under the chairmanship of Ashok Mehta. The committee submitted its report in August 1978 and it made 132 recommendations to revive and strengthen the declining Panchayati Raj system in India. Now the next question is, which committee recommended that Nyaya Panchayats should be kept as a separate bodies from that of development panchayats? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is Ashok Mehta Committee. So the Ashok Mehta Committee recommended that the Nyaya Panchayats should be kept as separate bodies from that of development panchayats and they should be presided over by a qualified judge. Now the next question is, committee to review the existing administrative arrangements for rural development and poverty alleviation program was constituted under the chairmanship of which among the following? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is G.V.K. Rao. So G.V.K. Rao committee was constituted to revive the existing administrative arrangements for rural development and poverty alleviation programs under the chairmanship of G.V.K. Rao. It was appointed by the Planning Commission in the year 1985. Now the next question is, which committee recommended for the creation of the post of District Development Commissioner? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is GVK Rao Committee. So the GVK Rao Committee recommended for the creation of a post of District Development Commissioner. The District Development Officer should act as the Chief Executive Officer of the Zilla Parishad, and he should be in charge of all the developmental departments at the district level. Further, the next question is, in which year the Hanumantha Rao Committee submitted its report? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is in the year 1984. So Hanumantha Rao Committee's report on district planning was submitted in the year 1984. The committee advocated a separate district planning bodies under either the district collector or a minister. The next question is, which committee was set up to examine the political and administrative structure in the district for the purpose of district planning? So you have the following options and the correct answer is Thangaun Committee. So in the year 1988, a committee was constituted under the chairmanship of P.K. Thangaun to examine the political and administrative structure in the district for the purpose of district planning. Now the next question is, in which year was the Gadgil Committee on Policy and Programs constituted? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is 1988. So Gadgil Committee, the Committee on Policy and Programs, was constituted in the year 1988 by the Congress Party. See, it worked under the chairmanship of V.N. Gadgil, and this committee was asked to ponder on the questions of how best Panchayati Raj institutions could be made effective.